Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead using blocks tutorial. Today, we'll be talking about the page heading block. A page heading is simply prominent text that displays near the top of a page to help a user identify which page they're viewing. Page headings also help search engines determine a page's subject matter. So they're very important elements of any website. Let's get started. First, we want to select any page other than the home page. Doesn't matter which one it is, since once we add the page heading block, it'll be displayed on all the pages for the given layout. In this case, our global layout. Now our page heading is going to display between the breadcrumbs and above the navigation here. So to get started, select the sector that you want to put the block in and click Add Block, just like that. Now we scroll down to the page heading block and select it. All page headings are commonly used as the H1 heading type, so we're not going to adjust the heading type here. We're just going to click Add to add the block. Now remember, blocks display in the order that they're listed in the sector. So I'm going to drag the block where I want it to display, in this case, below my breadcrumbs here. And as you can see, our page heading has been added. Now, we don't need to apply any styles to our page heading, since those were already done when we styled our headings globally. You can see how to do that in a previous tutorial. Now that our page heading is added, it doesn't matter which page you navigate to, the page heading will be displayed for all of them. Just like that. There you have it. You've just seen how easy it is to use the page heading block in Warhead. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we show you how to use other blocks in Warhead. Thanks for watching.